If you are wondering how to charge POCO X8 Pro Max, then the only way to do so is by using a USB cable. Unfortunately, wireless charging is not supported on this phone, hence why you need to use a USB cable. Now, of course, in addition to that, you need to use additional thing that is going to charge your phone with that USB cord. And of course, the most optimal choice or the best choice is going to always be power adapter. So whenever you want to charge your phone, you are looking for a power adapter. And of course, if you do not have a power adapter just yet, you can use other things that can charge devices with a USB cable, or via USB cable actually. So if you don't have a power adapter just yet and you need to charge your phone, then in that case you can use, for example, a computer or laptop, your car or power bank, or just anything that can be used to, generally speaking, charge devices via USB cord. And of course, some options are better than other. So let's say if we talk about charging with computer, then in this case, of course, the charging speed is going to be usually very, very slow because computers cannot really charge that fast. So this is something that you need to keep in mind. And of course, the best choice is probably going to be the power adapter or charger. But if you are wondering how to actually start charging, it's very simple. So in the case of power adapter or anything else, we just use the USB cable. We just plug it into the power adapter or something similar. Let me just put it into the power as well. There we go. And then, of course, we connect to the USB port that we have at the bottom of the phone, USB-C port over there. We plug it in and we start charging. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.